In this extremely important video, we will walk you through creating ways to organize your takeoffs. On the right side of your takeoff window, you will notice the Takeoffs tab has a few icons on the right side of the tab. The first icon that we notice is the View icon, and when you select this, you have the option of organizing your bid by layers, folders, or takeoff type. We can go ahead and click on them to get a feel on how they organize your takeoffs. Please note that you can select by layer and by folder to further organize your takeoffs. If you need to create a new folder, the plus icon you see will allow you to create new folders, items, and takeoffs. Remember, you can drag and drop existing takeoffs into other folders as well, and you can have folders within folders as needed. In reports, the top folder will be referred to as folder, and the second or subfolder will be considered folder 2, and so on. Also, if you right-click on any existing folder, you have the option Add Subfolders, as well as renaming your folder. On the left side of your takeoff screen, you will see the Pages tab. Please notice the plus button. When selected, you will see options for adding pages and folders. We will select New Folder, and a new pop-up window will open and allow you to name the folder as needed. Remember that this folder will be used for organizing your pages and can be useful when working in reports. When you are ready, select Save, and you will see the new folder in your Pages tab. You can now drag and drop as required to organize your pages. We have more videos in our tips and tricks section of our community training video if you require more knowledge.